Good, absolutely gorgeous morning here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. We're having a pretty decent morning. Right now we've caught one tiny flounder on the kicker crabs, but heading to one of my favorite bayous ever to catch some fish. I've been having a rough month this past little bit. Been focusing on some things at home and also been having really bad times to go out and go fishing. Hadn't really been catching much. But I have a really good feeling about today and I think we're gonna do really good. It's also the day of the solar eclipse and it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that sunrise. But I'm not gonna hold y'all up too much longer. Let's get to it. So, a little bit of stained water today. We're gonna go back to an old lure, or not old for me. One of the lures that I fell in love with when he came out with them. But the Hoodwink from Southern Salt Bait Company. And really good jerk shad style lure. Alrighty, so on this setup, this is a Halo Rave. I believe this is the one they had on clearance. I don't know what series this is, but this is the Halo Rave medium heavy rod with a Coonan Fiend on here. I don't know what size, but got 14 pound Suffolk Advance on here, all the way down to a 1/4 ounce trout eye jig head and a Cajun Pepper Hoodwink. One of my favorite fluke setups. I wish they were a little bit more durable, but it's fine. It's not the end of the world that they aren't extremely durable. They are a great lure, so they make up for what they don't have in durability. And when you look at other lures like fish bites or gulp, these last longer than those. I do want to know, what is y'all's favorite springtime lure to use? For all of you that use lures, what's y'all's favorite way to fish in the spring with lures? If y'all have some outlandish ways y'all do it, let me know. We'll see if we can't get them. See if I can't get them to work and catch some fish on them. I wish I had a better reel for this. I hate that I'm having to experience this setup like this, because I know this rod's good. I know it is. It's just this reel is not it. There we go. Come on. Is that a trout? That's a good trout, guys. That is a good trout. Heck yes. First trout of the morning. Come here. Come here. There we oh, he ain't done yet. Wow, that's a good trout. Come on. Come here. Come here. There we go. There we go, son. That is a good trout. Holy crap. Check that out, guys. Oh, wow. Talk about blessed. Let's get a measure on him real quick. Oh my gosh. Almost 18 and a half is his final. That's a really good trout. We are going to bring him home today. I won't keep over 20, but we've been wanting some fish and whoa. Been really wanting to get on some good fish and actually bring some home. So we're going to bring him home. Close your mouth. There we go. On the Cajun Pepper Hoodwink. On the doggone Hoodwink, Nate. On the freaking doggone Hoodwink. That's probably my best trout of the year right now. 18 and a half. Tell you one thing, we might have to stay in this sort of area for the next little bit while the fishing kind of evens out. Because I mean, I have had the worst luck, guys. I haven't been able to figure out the fish, and it's been rough. To say the least, it's been rough. There we go. Come on now. Come on. Is it a redfish? Is it a trout? Looks like trout. Get him up in here quick. Oh, there we go. That's another good legal trout. There we go, son. There we go. Heck yeah, look at that beautiful purple on top, guys. That is amazing. Look at that. Is he 15? Is he 15? He's right at 15. We are taking home today. 15 is the better size for taking home. So he's unlucky. He gets to go home. There we go. Right. Another one for the box. I actually need to fix this just slightly. It is, so here's something about jerk shads. You see how there's that little hump right there? We can't have that. Good thing about Nate's lures is that they tear a little bit easier. There we go, straightened out. That's what we want. Jerk shads are a little bit more of a, I'm not gonna say they're very skillful to use, because they're not. Anyone can use them, but there is a little bit more skill. You had to have that lure on that jig head perfectly. Nate's is probably the most forgiving because of those fins and that little ball point on the end of it. It makes it a little bit easier. It won't be, you won't have to get it exactly perfect, but you still want it pretty close. You shall see it's stupidly deep right next to us. There's a little, y'all just heard that? Where did that come from? Oh, oh, oh no. Oh, 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 I think we're good. That wasn't a big one, but still, it's that time of year where we don't want to be around that. We have composed ourselves. He almost made me wish I was wearing, well, wait, I am wearing brown pants. I wish I was wearing darker brown pants. You shall see it's stupidly deep right next to us. There's a little, y'all just heard that? Where did that come from? Oh, oh, oh no. Oh, 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 I think we're good. That wasn't a big one, but still, it's that time of year where we don't want to be around that. We have composed ourselves. He almost made me wish I was wearing, well, wait, I am wearing brown pants. I wish I was wearing darker brown pants. Oh, I had to look it up real quick because that was a bit scary. I've seen the, I've only seen like one do that before, and he was way bigger than that one. Now I'm a little more educated and a little bit older. I know like what to look out for and everything, but I did have to look up when their mating season is really when they're the most aggressive. I don't have to worry about him right now. They really start mating in May, but I will stay away from these shorelines. There's fish up in here. I really do not want to be on that shoreline. Oh, come on. Dadgum, come on. There we go. There we go, son. Come here. Oh, wait. Maybe another legal one. Maybe. Come here. on that Cajun pepper hoodwink. There's a lot in this hole. I think he's 14. That's what it looks like at least. Yeah, 14 and a half. That was a topwater strike. Alrighty. Sorry, he gets to go back, guys. Oh, I don't want to be right here. I do not want to be right here. There we go. Another trout. Come on now. Smaller side. They keep moving back. Hey, don't. Dadgummit. You're knocking trash in the water. There we go. Come on. Come on. Little guy. We're getting smaller. Hopefully that's not the trend that the farther we go back it's just getting smaller, and I don't want that. I wish this wind would stop working against me, because I'm throwing that way, which is the same way as the wind, but it's pushing at my back, which it's a lot harder to fight the wind backwards than it is forwards. There we go, another one. He's swimming with it. Oh gosh, he's swimming with it. Another small. There we go. Quit. Chill out. Come on. There we go. How did that happen? Here we go. Alrighty. Alright. Go on. Sorry guys, I didn't really show him. We're just catching fish right now. Am I recording? Yes, we are. Alright guys, y'all see him up there? We're gonna be very stealthy and very quiet. Yeah, that's a big gator. That's a big boy. Actually, no, that's like a 6-footer, 4-footer. Hey, back up. Back up. I have to get past you, and you're gonna let me by. She's literally guarding the area that I need to get by. I think that's why I think it's a mama. I went to go past her. I was being real quiet, and I looked over and I saw her eyes were open, and she immediately got in the water and stayed up. And I was like, she wants me to know she's there. It's not her running anymore. She's like, I'm here and you're not coming by. Keep me safe. We've got a sacrifice. We are literally about to throw this at this gator and go for it. Everybody fingers crossed. Ah! 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 He's staying at that corner. Gotta be mama. Gotta be mama. We're good. We're good. We didn't even have to sacrifice our trout. That's awesome. There we go. Oh, that's a good flounder. That's what it feels like. I don't know, it's running around. Yeah, it's good flounder. Good flounder. Oh, that's why he felt good. Maybe he's another good, or legal. If he's legal, we'll keep him. I got him on the top. He'll be fine. Let's get some grips in his mouth before I do anything. Yeah. Alrighty, he can't do nothing. Hold on to those grips tight. Go on the measuring board real quick. Here so we can. Another 13-incher, looks like. Almost 13 1/4. We'll take him home, even though he's small. Cook him up whole. Here we go. There's another one for the bag. Doing pretty dang good today, as far as like keeping fish. This ain't a bad day at all by any means. It almost was a bad day. All right, guys, so that's going to be the end of this trip. I'm going to wrap it up here. The wind's getting pretty rough. It was rough getting across that lake. I was soaked by the time I got to the other side. I was gotten to this creek to see if I could catch another flounder, and I got like a tiny one. But I'm going to wrap it up there. I got some fish in the cooler that we need to go home and clean and get ready for dinner. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. As always, I put these reports up on Salt Strong, so if you're an insider member, you can go check that out there. If you like the video, leave a like. Comment on what you want to see next, or actually comment, tell me what your favorite spring lure is. We'll see if we can't get into it and try it. I'm all about trying outlandish stuff, new things. So comment that, let me know what y'all think, and I will see y'all next time. Peace.